stop. Take a minute. Yeah. Shit. Nigga's dead. It's over for him.
Yes, Lord. Look. You can fight the shit out of me right now.
That motherfucker fat. He's pregnant too.
Shot it. Is that a bag?
You see what the fuck going on, Shell Gang? We finna kayak fish today. Go test the waters out for the first time. My first time really kayak fishing, so I'm just gonna go on the water, practice a little bit. I ain't worried about it. Catching nothing too crazy. I just want to practice being on the water with my rods and shit. For sure. I got a cup noodle. Walking into the Walmart. I don't care what you call it. All right, Shell Gang, we finally made it to the loading spot. We finna hit the dam first. We're gonna go left, hit the dam, and then come back down. Damn, this is gonna be a far trip. I ain't scared, nigga. Fuck I'm scared about. I like to load it up sideways, sit in it sideways like this. Watch. Like this. Yep. Easier.
Well, then how you gonna push off?
You push it in a little bit more. Hold on. Let me grab my... Oh, I got everything. All right, help me push off.
What? You go. Why are you so scared?
It's scary.
Huh? Scared?
Hell yeah. You want to go that way? Stay on the edge, bruh. We are out here. Let's go. Yes, sir. Motherfucker. We finna, oh, look at that. Little bitch over there tanning, Moley. Moley, look to the left. Little bitch over there tanning on the water. We made it to the first beach. We made it to the first little stop. Little break spot. Little smoke break, drink break. I'm finna spark my blunt. I got it wet, bruh. I got my baby wet. Can't even spark right now, bruh. Gotta wait a second, gang.
Damn, gang.
Hell yeah, man.
Fish with this bitch right here?
No cap. Oh yeah, we gonna hook on to something today. Look, you can't snag on to nothing.
Nope.
Now, if you really want to get it out there, you could go out like knee height or waist height,
Yeah,
and then throw that bitch out there. And then you see them trees and shit hanging out the ground right here?
Yep.
They all be in them. Cheers, motherfucker.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, this one pretty good. Oh yeah. First day on the water with my new kayak. It's doing pretty good to me. I don't really care about fishing too much. I just want to be out on the water, practicing, you know, chilling. Because I know I'll find some fish in here, definitely. Not like them ponds. Them ponds are easier, but this is a big river, so there should be some monsters in this mug, man. Order. Blunt wet as hell. Should do not want to spark.
You getting dry?
Almost.
Did you go? Oh, you didn't leave it cooler? Huh? Because it don't, I don't care about that being wet.
I told him to go out to the middle to go fish. He out. Yes, so. Yeah, about to put on a brand new chatterbait because the one from yesterday was tripping. This one should be okay. Yeah, this one should be okay, gang. Yes, sir. Oh, chunky ass. I'm about to hook up this brand new chatty, boy. Yes, sir. Chatter donski. Chatter donski.
Nigga, it's a bigger beach down there.
Yeah.
Right around this spot?
We've been at this spot for what, an hour chilling?
Huh?
We've been at this spot for an hour chilling. We about to move. Yeah, we about to move towards the dam a little bit more. Yeah. When we get to the dam, we're just gonna come back down.
Hell yeah. I really wanted to go that way.
Me and MOLEY out again, Shell Gang. Next location. I think we're gonna go in the sun this time.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. That buzz, that little drink got me buzzing. I should throw my shit. Hey, hold on, let's slow down. I want to throw my rod out and let it just propel behind me while I'm kayaking, because I might catch a fish. No cap. I'm gonna just let this drift behind me a couple feet back. Put my rod right here in the hole. Take my ass to the kayak land. So therefore my bait's just hanging around the back and I could catch a fish on that.
You gotta let it drop a little bit more.
Huh? Too high?
Yeah, look. It's sitting up out the water.
Action on it, guys. Trailing behind.
Ready?
Motherfucker trying to catch on with the tank. Hang on, guys. Some shade, man. Woo! Oh. I gotta take a pee-pee. He done got snagged up. No! Just go close. Getting pretty hungry and the sun is beaming on me. Shit burning my neck up. I should have brought some damn sunscreen. It's alright. First day on the water. Many more to come. I had to come to this loading spot and this spot because MOLEY don't have no kayak and this is the only place where he could really rent one. So that's why I came over here. But next time I'm going to a spot where I know where the fish is at so I could catch on a kayak. Yes, sir. Well, fish are everywhere. Just gotta fish. Okay, so we found a string right there hanging off of a branch or whatever, and he's gonna go check and see what's on it. The fuck?
Nah, that shit just wrapped up. Yeah, see, it just came off.
Oh man, thought it had a fish on it. Watch me get hooked up on it.
I didn't say that shit.
If I get hooked up on that same tree, you out, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna fish it lightly so I can.
Do the ugly stick.
You could do it. You go close enough. Yeah. Throw your rod in there. You got that shit for free anyway.
Yeah. I bought the wheel.
I remember I bought that shit like a year or two ago. I caught a lot of fish with that. Woo! This shit is tiring. Hell, Shell Gang.
Talk about me. You tell me you're fat.
Fat boy got more energy than me. Fat boy got more energy than skinny boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
6:30.
He said he went to sleep at 6:30. Good. I went to sleep at 2.
I heard you knocking on the door. I didn't want to get up right away. I like, fuck, let me check this nigga.
Woo! Takes a lot of energy, guys. Before y'all get onto the water, y'all better be prepared, man, because all I do is smoke them blunts, bro. That shit ain't good for this shit. No cap. Second location, we're gonna take a little lunch break, relax. Chill out for a little bit. I don't feel safe on my kayak like this. That shit is not safe, gang. No cap. I ain't fucking with it. Get my sandwich, bro. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yes, sir. Lunch sandwich. Oh, yeah. Sit right here. Just chill out. Ooh, yes, sir. No cap.
No cap. You got a boat, all type of white bitches you don't want to everything.
Can't forget the Doritos, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god, watch. Oh my god. Here, let me go this way. God damn. God damn, it's okay. God damn, it's okay.
Oh!
That nigga fucked
Oh!
up. Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh, it's okay. Oh shit. Oh
Yo!
that nigga fucked us up, man. God damn.
Not the Doritos?
The burrito, the Doritos, my phony yoni. Oh,
Hand me Doritos, man.
holy fuck, I saved him.
Water.
He's about to get splashed. That nigga came speeding by.
What's wrong with him?
Nigga, we was in the water and all. Yo, that nigga fucked us up. Nigga got my sandwich wet, bread about to be soggy.
I got a pizza Lunchable. Lunchable.
I should have brought that other fucking panther.
These chips stale as hell. He said he almost broke his damn tooth eating it. Yeah, I feel so much better, bro. I got my energy back. No crack. All food. Gonna roll up before we head out from this last little break spot. I done smashed my gas. Holy shit, look how flat the weed is. What did I do?
We smash gas.
I'm loving this kayak shit. I get away from everybody, everything. I don't hear no cars. I don't hear no ambulance. I don't hear my stepdaughter asking me to take her to McDonald's to get French fry. I told you to get some.
But nigga, something in my pants. I'm about to spray under there.
I told him to get some that good ass mosquito spray.
Right here. To hold the things. So you can just...
I need a mean ass nap, gang. Ooh yeah. Smoking Mother Nature with Mother Nature. I'm gonna go fish this little channel over here. It's pretty thin, small little channel. I'm gonna go fish it and see what's up. Oh yeah.
I be liking to make a splash because it make them like...
At the secret stash. Blah, blah. My favorite game. Oh, you got the pepperoni, I got the cheese. You want to switch?
Let's do some and some.
All right.
What is it, 2? It's only 3?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, you take 2 then.
That's straight.
Yeah. Take the pepperonis.
Hmm?
Take them. Oh, give me one more. You got like half of that shit.
You gotta spread the sauce first.
Yeah, so everything can stick.
I could eat these every day.
Hmm?
I could eat these every day. So good, man. Catching no fish today, gang. Oh, hell yeah, man. Last stop of the day. We like 4 or 5 miles from where we started. The dam's right around the corner, but we ain't trying to go that far. I'm just... You finna get a kayak? Go ahead, gang. Just don't throw your shit in the trees. Fugala! Oh, this catching up I'm doing. This nigga done met a friend and shit. They done cheersed and drink a beer together. What the hell? I'm fucking weak. I'm fucking dying, bro. Tired, bro. No more energy. I'm so tired. I need to get back ASAP. I can't breathe. Jesus, help me. I would rather fish a pond any day. Then come out to the lake and get skunked and have to go miles up the river. Terrible. Man, finally made it back, dog. I'm fucking beat, Brody. I can't do this shit. I need a motor. More kayak, man. Fuck, man. I'm tired, bruh. Hell nah. I don't think I'm ever going out again, man. Goddamn.
Cause you just a lazy motherfucker.
I'm tired, bro. My arms like noodles. I think we was too quick in a rush to get back, bro. That shit killed me. So get my vape because I dropped it in the water, man. Fuck, man. And then calling a motherfucking day in the video. No fucking fish. Skunked out.
I'ma smoke this gas till a nigga just pass out. I'ma do the dash. I'ma smoke this gas till it